Hello, gardening enthusiasts, and welcome back to TMG. Today, we're exploring the striking and versatile Kira Jersey Heuchera. This perennial plant is loved for its stunning foliage and easy care, making it a favorite for both beginner and experienced gardeners. Heuchera, commonly known as Corabels, is native to North America, where it grows in rocky and wooded areas. The Kira Jersey variety is a modern cultivar bred for its vibrant and unique foliage patterns. Its name, Kira Jersey, reflects its roots in ornamental plant breeding, designed to bring a touch of elegance to gardens worldwide. Kira Jersey is a visual delight with its scalloped, variegated leaves. The foliage range in color from silver green to deep burgundy, often with contrasting veining that adds depth and interest. In late spring to early summer, it produces delicate flower stalks adorned with tiny white or pink blooms. This compact plant typically grows about 12 to 18 inches tall and wide, making it ideal for borders, containers, and ground covers. Creating the right environment for your Kira Jersey is simple. The plant thrives in partial shade, but can tolerate full sun and cooler climates. Too much direct sunlight in hot regions may scorch its leaves. It prefers well-draining, nutrient-rich soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid waterlogging. Heuchera is moderately drought-tolerant once established. Remove faded flowers, damaged leaves to keep the plant looking tidy. Apply a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Kira Jersey pairs beautifully with other shade-loving plants. Combine it with ferns, hostas to create a lush and textured landscape. Its striking foliage also complements flowering plants like impatiens or begonias. In container arrangements, it serves as a standout centerpiece or as a cascading accent. One remarkable trait of Heuchera is its semi-evergreen nature. In mild climates, the foliage stays vibrant throughout the winter, adding year-round interest into your garden. Additionally, its shallow roots help prevent soil erosion, making it a practical choice for sloped areas. And there you have it, Kira Jersey, stunning plant that combines beauty, versatility, and ease of care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and plant profiles. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening.